This is the April Discovered Beauty Box. This edit is called Beauty Made Simple. Let's see how simple. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing very well today. I've literally just ran up the stairs because I've just got some mail, and this is the April Discovered Beauty Box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. When I get there, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to link a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what the 3 prizes are that I'm going to be giving away. Yeah, so if you can share with your friends and your family, get them to subscribe, and we can get on with the giveaway. But let's have a sneak peek in here. First of all, we have a thank you card, just thanking me for a purchase. And we have another thank you card, okay, and this is from Seatox, Wild Seaweed Skincare. Is that something that's in here possibly? What is this? Inline Beauty. Is that something else that's in here? Lots of little leaflets in here today. Oh, that's an actual full-on leaflet for Inline Beauty. Okay, and we have the edit card. It has details on all the items that are in the box, so that's going to come in very useful throughout the video. And there is a little sneak peek for you. I've just moved everything up the top there. If this box is something that you're interested in and you want to subscribe, I've got a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box. Click that link, you'll get £3 off your first order. But yeah, it's £25 per month. And I can't really say how many products you get in here because, like, one of the months, was it last month, we got 7 lip products and that was classed as one product. But yeah, let's just have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Back to the edit card, and it just says here, this edit is called Beauty Made Simple. It just says, let's make beauty simple, DBB fam. Sometimes we just need to make things a little bit more simple. In the April edit, you'll find a wonderful assortment of beauty items that aim to make your routine a little bit more simpler. So the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Siberian. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is a microfiber hair towel. It just says washing your hair doesn't need to be a hassle. This hair towel from Siberian is made from microfiber, which means it's gentle on your hair to help prevent breakage. It's also a turban style, which makes it easier for drying. What's more, when you deep conditioning or have a hair treatment in, you can use the towel to keep the heat in to enhance the effects of the deep conditioning and or hair treatments. So this has an RRP of £12. Yeah, it is. I am loving that. That feels so soft, and I love the colour as well. So we have the button here, which goes at the back of your head, and then that goes over like that. I'd put it in, but I've literally just done my hair for work. But yeah, and then you twist it, and then you've got the hook there that goes over the button. But yeah, oh, I like that. That feels quality. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Seatox, and it's Wild Ocean Glow Face Mask. This has an RRP of £15. It just says the face mask with multiple benefits and uses. It's a yes from us. Crafted with seaweed, kelp, which has 20 skin boosting nutrients. Green clay is a cleansing and pH balancing, and mocha green tea for reducing inflammation and evens your skin tone. Take a small amount in your hand, add a few drops of water and apply to the face for 5 minutes. Each jar makes around 12 masks. Oh, that's quite good then. It can also be used as an exfoliator. Oh, cool. So yeah, I'm loving the little jar that it comes in, and yeah, we have the little bit there. Yeah, so you can see it's powder in there. I don't want to... Yeah, you can see I'm going to close that. Can't smell much, but yeah, I'm going to close that because I'm going to have an accident. But yeah, love a face mask. That'll be going in my face mask drawer. The third product we have is this. So it's kind of like 3 items in one here. This is from the brand Gokos. I'm probably saying that wrong. I do apologise. This is eyeshadow and lipstick pens and a travel pouch. This has an RRP of, let's have a look. So the makeup pouch is £6.75. The lip duo pen is £25 and the eyeshadow pen is £13.50. It just says travelling with makeup has never been easier. Gokos has made their makeup travel friendly, refillable and quick and easy to use. Receive a roll-up makeup pouch in either grey and pink, nude rose, steel blue or grey and orange to store your new beauties. So as you can see, I've got like the rosy pink one. And yeah, receive a lip creator duo lipstick pen in either Emotional Splendid Fuchsia, Heatwave, Supreme, Divine, Feel So Good or Cherry Blossom. They can be applied for a hint of colour or applied to create a bold colour payoff. Also, you can even use them as blush shades. Oh, that's nice to know. Receive an eyeshadow pen in either Opal, Vintage or Topaz. Perfect for use for a quick pop of colour, cruelty free. So this is what that looks like out of the bag. So we have the elastic bit there. So I take it once you've put your pens or makeup brushes, you can put anything in here you want really, roll it up. Okay, so it feels weird because it's brand new. So yeah, you can just roll it up and then, and then put the elastic band around it. Okay. That's not really my favourite, if I'm honest. It doesn't really feel great. So it's all nice and neat at this end, but because there's no elastic at that end, that's just free to be like, bleh. Yeah, I don't know. And this is the eyeshadow, and I got it in the shade, it doesn't say. It just has 209 there, so I don't know what shade that is, but let's have a look. So we have this little sponge applicator at the end there, and I think that's where the product is, and that's on like a, yeah, that's, oh my god, it's on a little spring, so it picks up product every time you put it back in the lid. And there it is there. You can hardly see it, to be honest, because it's practically the colour of my skin. Oh, that's a shame. I think personally, if I had a choice of colours, I would have went for a shade or two more darker. But it seems pleasant enough. If I'm having a natural day, you can see a slight difference there. So just a bit of definition on the eye. But it actually feels really nice. And it has a tiny, tiny little shimmer. I just don't think it's picking up on the camera. Now we have the duo lipstick thingy-majig. So what's this? Okay, so we've got the same again. It's got the same applicator with a sponge and it's on a spring, and then you've got product here. Ooh, that is nice. Does it say what shade this is? It doesn't, it just says 607, whatever shade that might be. Yeah, there's definitely no shade on there. And then we have the lipstick part here. Oh, there's actually quite a lot of product in there. And that's that. Actually, I really, really like that. That's really nice. Ooh, and it feels so, so creamy. Okay. I'll have to pop that on my makeup table and next time I put my face on, give it a go. The fourth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Dr. H, and it's hyaluronic acid eye gel pads. Wow, guys, oh my goodness, this has an RRP of £69.50. It just says you can now treat your under eyes for up to 5 treatments with the Dr. H's hyaluronic acid eye gel patches, made with collagen, amino acids for cell regeneration and hyaluronic acid for moisturising and firming. It's said that these patches can work wonders in just 10 minutes. These are cruelty free. Oh my goodness, very expensive. Should we? Yeah, I love eye patches. I'm getting really into eye patches at the moment. I've been using quite a few. So this is what the patches look like. I'm hoping that's going to be easy to get in. You will see when I do my empties video at the end of the month, I've been using some eye patches which are packed in these packets, and I'll tell you there, but I had some problems trying to get in them. Terrible when you got arthritis in your hands. But yeah, love some eye patches. I pop them on at night time, forget that they're there, and let them do some magic because it's definitely needed. The fifth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Figs in Rouge, and this is Rose Glow Halo Dewdrops. These have an RRP of £28. It just says, if glowing, hydrated, revitalised and smooth skin is what you're after, then Rose Glow from Fig and Rouge can help. Set to help blur any imperfections and formulated with rose quartz and vitamins A, C and E, you will be well on your way. This can be used alone or with a small amount added to your moisturiser or foundation. This is cruelty free and vegan. I am sure I have this. I'm sure, and I think I like it as well. So, oh, it's opening it. There it is there. And then you can see that glow that gives there. It's beautiful. Oh, I like that. I'm going to give that a go tomorrow. I'm sure I've used this before. I did. I'm sure I liked it. Or am I thinking about another product? My memory's awful. But that looks absolutely stunning. Sixth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Inline Beauty, and it's a hair elixir. This has an RRP of £15. It just says, nourish, fortify and restore your hair with this delightful hair elixir made with argan, avocado, jojoba and rosa rubicia. I can't even pronounce that, oh my goodness. Oils which can aid in improving elasticity and eliminating frizz. It's also formulated with the refreshing notes of lavender and lemon zest. 2021 silver winner for the Green Parent Natural Beauty Awards. Vegan and cruelty free, suitable for all hair types. Yeah, you can definitely smell the lavender and the lemongrass. So it comes, I'm not going to spray it because it will go everywhere, but it comes in a sprayer. And I love testing stuff out on my hair, so super excited to give that a go. Guys, so this edit is Beauty Made Simple. This is the April Discovered Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I am loving this box yet again. Discovered Beauty have not disappointed. The only thing I'm not keen on is that roll. For me it's not great, but the products that you get with the roll, the lip product and the eye product, seem fantastic. Loving Figs in Rouge. I'm really liking their products, especially the glow products where you add with moisturiser or foundation. I'm sure I've received one of these, and I've received another one which is like a green colour possibly. Yeah, love some eye patches, a face mask, hair. It's kind of got a bit of everything in this box, really. It's covered all bases. I'm really sorry if you want this box, you can't have it. I don't get it in time. You have to order this box before the 10th of the month, and obviously it's way after the 10th. I would love to get this box beforehand to give you a chance to get it, but it's just not the way it is. I pay for this box myself. But I love this box, and I can't wait to see what's in next month. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!